Hi guys, today I want to show you how to make creamy chicken soup. Guys, half kg yellow onion slice. Then you marupa with butter. Chicken breast 2 kg slice nicely. Then you marupa with onion. You have to wait 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you put the cream, the whipping cream, 1 packet. Then after 10 minutes, you have to put water. Okay, hot water. Don't put cool water. Okay, guys, you have to wait 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you put the water. You put the hot water, don't put cool water. Okay guys, then have to wait more 10 minutes. After that, want to put with butter and flour. Butter and flour I put there. Butter 200 gram, flour 400 gram, nicely mix butter and flour. After mix, then you put your soup. Okay, I already put. Then you have to wait more 10 minutes. I take the blender. Then I want to blend now. Blender nicely blended. Already done my blender. Then I put salt, aromat, pepper, chicken stock, bay leaf. Then we have to wait 5 minutes. See, color very nice, very good and flavor. See the guys, see color. If you try your home and anywhere you try, very nice soup. You have to try. If you want to eat with garlic baked, very nice with creamy soup, creamy chicken soup. Okay guys, thank you.